Good morning students. In previous video we have seen the use of land in urban area. All of you knows how the rural people are using the land in rural area. Today we will see the next point of how in urban area they are using the land for which type of purpose. In previous video we have seen the land use of in urban: commercial land use, residential land use, transport land use. Today we will see public utility land use. Dear students, in urban area, state government as well as central government, they provide different type of facilities for the peoples. For example, hospital, police ground, police station, school, college, university, okay, post office, bank, okay. For all this purpose, our government is using the land in urban area. So dear students, public utility use means, do you know the government is taking a tax, okay, but they provide this type of facility to all the villagers, all the peoples. So it is important to know that in urban area the population is increasing every day, but our government is also providing to all these type of facilities, and they are using the land for the benefit of peoples. So all these facilities are available in the, we can say, in the central place, okay. That is why there is a centralization of all these offices. That's why what is happening, these services diffuse the tension caused due to the organized populations. So you know, population is increasing every day. That's why this high population increase the tensions of government, our state government as well as central government, because our natural resources are limited and population is unlimited. Because do you know, nowadays every day many peoples are migrating from rural to urban area. That's why they increase the populations. Next point, recreational land use. recreational land use, जैसे कि हमने देखा है अर्बन एरिया में अपना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट ऑफिस, कॉलेज, स्कूल, यूनिवर्सिटी, पुलिस स्टेशन के बैंक, सभी के लिए वो लैंड का यूज़ करते हैं. उसके अलावा बिसाइड ऑल दिस our state as well as central government, okay, they are using the land for recreational or entertainment of people. You see how they are taking care of ours, okay. Means if you will see in mega cities or big cities, there are park, gardens, okay, as well as we can see swimming pools, theaters, okay. For all these they are using the land in urban area. Next point, we will see mixed land use. In some area we find all these used together. Such area are said to have mixed land use. So okay, in mega cities or in big cities means public utility area as well as recreational land use, means both things, okay, they are using together. That is why that point is called as mixed land use. Means क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे लोग रहते भी हैं और उसके बाजू में पार्क, गार्डन, स्विमिंग पूल्स, इस तरह के, मतलब ये पब्लिक utility area होता है, okay. That is called as mixed land use. Means it is an area of residential area as well as entertainment area. Means both things are together. So dear students, we are seeing the use of land okay, in urban area. So okay, these are the uses of land use. As you know, we have seen the land use of in rural area. Okay, in rural people, they are using land for the agriculture, forest land, grassland. Grassland means they are using the land for grazing the cattle, because their subsidiary occupation is animal husbandry, means they rear cow, buffaloes. Okay, yes, that's why they are using the for this purpose. But we have seen in अर्बन एरिया में लैंड का यूज किस तरह से होता है, ये हमने देखा है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विल सी ट्रांजिशनल एरिया एंड सबर्ब. रूरल सेटलमेंट स्टार्ट आउटसाइड द बाउंड्री एरिया ऑफ अर्बन सेटलमेंट, बट द इंटरमीडिएट एरिया इज between is called transitional area. Now we'll see what is meant by transitional area. In some part, what is happening on the boundary of main city, some people went there, okay, and they settled there, but the intermediate area is between called transitional area. In this area there is a blend of rural and urban land use, and there is a mix. We can see there is a mixed locality, urban as well as रूरल. जैसे कि आपने कहीं देखे होंगे, जो बड़े बड़े शहर रहते हैं उसके बाउंड्री के बाजू में कई लोग रहते हैं, और वहाँ पे अर्बन के भी लोग रहते हैं, और वहाँ पे रूरल के भी लोग रहते हैं. एंड दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशनल एरिया. In this area, land use of mixed nature. In this zone, cultural activities are also of mixed type. Over time, the area is converted in the urban area, and this region becomes the suburb. Okay, and there they do their all type of activities. Means this, first of all I told you, this area is on the boundary of main city. Okay, there are living the urban people and rural people. Okay, that's why they are doing all type of activities. They are doing agriculture also. Okay, some people are doing okay in office, bank. Okay, that's why there is a mixed type, you can say people. So over time this area is converted into urban area. Okay, after some year, that area, if the population increase, then the government declare that area is a urban area. कुछ साल बाद उस एरिया का पॉपुलेशन बढ़ने के बाद में, उसका इनकम बढ़ने के बाद में, उस एरिया को अर्बन एरिया डिक्लेयर करता है. दिस रीजन बिकम सबर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, बांद्रा, भांडुप आर सबर्ब ऑफ मुंबई सिटी. ओके, जैसे मुंबई सिटी के बाजू में जो बांद्रा, ओके, नाम सुना होगा आपने, देखा भी होगा शायद, बांद्रा, भांडुप, ओके, ये जो एरिया था, ओके, दैट इज अ मिक्स टाइप एरिया था. वहाँ पे रूरल भी थे, ओके, सेटल भी, मतलब रूरल एरिया भी थे और अर्बन भी थे. ओके, बट आफ्टर सम ईयर नाउ दैट इज अ सबर्ब ऑफ मेन सिटी, मीन्स मेगा मुंबई सिटी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, इन दिस वे these are the, you can say, uses of land in urban area. Now next point we will see next video. Thank you.